And welcome back to The Kerrnel Does Feed the Beast. We are on the Trek Ultimate server. Thank you for joining us today. You can see our train line, which I have been told is now complete. Going off into the distance. And I don't know if I showed you these or not. So these are the cargo ships that were here from DNR Rail to provide the materials that they needed to build the railway. It's pretty cool. So they will be here probably another couple of days as they enjoy finishing the job. And I guess this is another one of their cargo ships. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So thank you guys, appreciate it. So let's check out the tunnel, shall we? Oh yeah, very nice. Lighthouse tours, please exit the train here. So as we get the line hooked up and get the word out, people will be able to come through the base. And the train will stop here. And if you want to get out and check out the lighthouse, you can certainly do that. Or you can continue on through to... I guess I gotta go through here. Carry on through to the visitor center. All the way through here. And I have heard that there is a shipment from Kerrnel Logistics that has arrived. Ooh, baby. Look at these goodies. So we have all sorts of iron. Look at that. All right, so we'll be able to finish off our iron jobbies. And I think we're going to also need to build our doors. Haven't got the materials yet. I guess that will come in the next shipment for the break room. So that is very good. Kerrnel Logistics. What does Kerrnel Logistics have to say? Please find accompanying this notice your requested shipment. Kerrnel Logistics is proud to be a contributing sponsor of the important scientific work planned at this outpost. We hope this partnership will be long and prosperous to the community. So do we. So do we. Perfect. So this will provide our power for the base and get us started. And then once we've got power set up, then we can start ordering some machines to bring stuff in. So I guess the cargo will come in and it will unload right here. And the reason I know that is because we've been doing some work. So when we left off last episode, we had finished the stairway up there. And we were going to dig out the basement for the machine room. I don't remember doing that, though. So this is the back of the room where the train comes in. And the train unloads its cargo into a hopper. And it goes into this chest. So this is basically our drop-off point. We haven't got it completely set up yet, but we will get that set up very shortly, probably in the next episode or two. I want to get with Great Order and have him kind of give us the overview of how everything's supposed to work. So that'll be kind of cool. But in the meantime, this episode, I think I want to finish getting the walls built here. For the hallway, and we also want to kind of get the machine room squared away so that we can begin doing machiney things in there and start building some of our machines. And some of those machines will be your generic machines that you normally have at a base. But we're also going to have some other machines that we're going to need to install. I don't know what they're going to look like though, because they're part of the new mod pack. So I don't I don't know if they need power or not. We will find that out though, because if they do need power, we're basically what we're going to do is we're going to cut off another room somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe down here, maybe over here. But we're going to set up a research room. So the room that we're actually setting up in this episode downstairs is going to be kind of our main power room. So all of the main machinery that keeps the base running will be downstairs. And the research stuff will be upstairs. And how wide is this? This is 3 wide. All right. So we will finish this room off at some point. I have figured out how to... I could have swore that I was trying this properly, but I guess I wasn't. So when we tried to put the diagonal blocks up on the wall, I couldn't get them to rotate. Something has been in here, because I did not do this. That might have been great order. It might have been salvaging some of the ores that are in the walls. And that's cool. Just patch them up when you're done, though. Okay. So anyway, so these blocks that you make with the woodcutter. So when you make the diagonals, when I was putting them on the wall vertically, you weren't getting the diagonal. If you do a shift right click with the hammer, it actually does do a vertical so that you can see the face of it on the side. So it does rotate it properly. I don't know what I was doing wrong before, because I could have swore that I was doing that properly, but I guess I was not. So I'm glad I got that figured out. Thank you for Great Order for suggesting it again so that I could try it again. Otherwise, I was not going to do it again. So let me finish doing the ceiling in here. I hope I have enough blocks. I think we had about 8 stacks, 9 stacks possibly. So hopefully that is enough for what we need to get the ceiling done. I'm hoping it also is enough for us to get the basement walls done, but I have a feeling it is not. So we may have to wrangle up another deal. And I don't know what... I might make this just a room and put a door here. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. So I will continue doing this and be back with you in a minute. Okay, we finished the ceiling all the way through the tunnel. So it's looking good. And we finished it all the way down the stairs here. Now we enter into our machine room, our main machine room. And this is basically a full chunk. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some glass in this area here. Just so as you come down the stairs, you can kind of see in. And the doorway is going to be closed off. It won't be open, so you can't just kind of waltz in. So, not quite sure how that's going to look yet. But one thing that I did notice is that I messed up something pretty significant. And that is, I'd like it so that the machines aren't floating. So I've got it. I kind of messed it up. I like the idea of having a surface that mobs can't spawn on, but it's not really a big issue because we have My Town and we can turn the mob spawns off. So we do have a bit of a problem when it comes to the placement of these blocks. So we're going to have to lower this by 1. But in the meantime, we've still got a few stacks of iron left. So I think what I'm going to do is put the ceiling in and hope I have enough blocks. And go from there, I guess. So I will be back in a jiff once we have the ceiling pretty much done. Or as far as done as we can. And then I'm going to lower the floor and we'll see how that looks. So we'll be back in a bit. Oh my god, come on. You know, as I'm doing this, I'm thinking that the ceiling just doesn't look right out of iron down here. I think I'm going to have to put a different kind of ceiling in. I don't know what that ceiling will be, but it won't be iron. That I think I have determined. So I'm going to knock all this out, and instead what I'll do is I'll just do the walls, and then we'll have to figure out what we want to do with the ceiling, because iron is not the block that I want to use. We don't have enough of it, for one, but it doesn't look right. So we'll just knock this stuff back out and finish the walls, and we're back with you jiffily. Jiffily? Is that a word? All right. So we are now dug down, and we're still going to use the half slabs, but we're not going to use full blocks, just because we don't have enough. So we are just going to relay the floor. Oh man, this is going to be a pain. This is not going to be fun. Okay, we have finished the walls and we finished the floor, and I actually had to lower this down by 1. It wasn't looking right. It was a little off, but it is now right, and I think we are going to... I don't know what we're going to do here. We're going to put a door here. And I'm thinking that perhaps this is going to be made out of glass. I don't know. Maybe we'll put a pressure plate system down here and hook it up to some drawbridges, which would be neat. But I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. In the meantime, speaking of drawbridges, let us put some in. So we want to use them in this doorway here, and I wanted to keep this light open. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that, though, without it looking too weird. Although I could put the door here, but then that wouldn't shine down. I think I'll just have to live with it and figure out a new lighting solution for this hallway here. So let us put the iron blocks up here, and so we're gonna put drawbridges in, and I believe that there's a room back here. Okay, maybe not. I could have swore there was one. Alright, so if that is not the case, so what we need is we're going to put down some pressure plates here. And these will be the triggers. Oh, man. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to put the door here. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I did that because it was right there. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Yeah, let's just move it over one. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, so we stick that there. Get that. All right. So these things here are altar of light, and if you feed them 3 redstone, as long as there is, if there's open space above it. So if I was to put it on the ground here, there would be open space above, and as long as the light level above, I think, is above 7, then it'll stay on. If it drops below 7, then it actually generates a redstone block, or not a redstone, a glowstone block. So it would basically look like this. It will plop the glowstone block on top of it. So it wouldn't really function as a light then. But since I've not got air blocks above these altars, they function as nice decorative lighting. So that is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to move this over one. And the reason being is we need to put pressure plates here. Oh, I can't do it. Are you serious? Golly, good gravy, man. This is killing me. Wait, why can't I put pressure plates there? Oh, maybe because they're not full blocks? I could put one there. So maybe I need an actual full block. Quarried stone. Do I have to smelt this? I think I might have to smelt this. Man. That bites. Alright, let me go replace these blocks with actual full blocks. And then we'll come back and do this. So basically what I'm trying to do... what I'm trying to do is have pressure plate here and here, and then have the actual drawbridge door here. But I guess I need to have full-size blocks, so I'll end up going up on top of these. So let me go back and grab a couple of actual blocks, and we'll be back in a minute. Let's see if this does anything different. Aha! Alright, that helps. Okay, so we are going to put... I think we are going to load the redstone stuff back here. And these 3 blocks will become the drawbridge. And there they are there. Okay, and I think they go this way. Yep. Yep. Okay, so if you've never used these before, and I think we may have used these in a past episode, But basically, if you right click on them, it gives you a little interface. And if I'm not mistaken, the left side is the camouflage side. So this is what you want the block to look like. So now it looks like iron. So we can do that with the rest of them. And we can do that with this one here. So if I wanted to make it look like dirt, I can just put dirt in there. Alright, so they all look like iron, which is great. Now, here's the tricky part. So you need to have... So the right side here is the block that you want to actually be your door. So this is the part that's going to extend. And what we want to do is use, I believe it is one, so however many blocks you need plus one, I think. So that'll be 1, 2, 3 blocks to get across, plus one, and I think that should be good. It might be plus 2, I can't remember. So let's start with the bottom, and we'll test it out. Let's use cobblestone just for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be 3 across. Oh. Alright. There. Okay. So now if I take one of those out, it doesn't extend all the way. So you need to give it 4 if you wanted to go 3. So what do I want to use for the door? I don't know. I was thinking of using just the iron, so it looks like the hallway's closed off. But I think I might want it to look a little different. I don't know. Let me think about this for a minute. So I think what I want to do... is I want to use iron, but I want to highlight it with something, because I don't want it to look like a full iron wall, because then the only indication that there's a door is the pressure plates. So what I think I'm going to do is going to use iron in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to use iron in the top, and then I think I'm going to use red glass in the middle, and that should make it look good. Okay, so now what I need to do is hook this up to yeah, I need to go down one more. So I need to hook this up to a redneck controller, and it is going to sit right here. No, I'm not. It's going to sit right here, I think. What stupid thing? Alright. Where does it start? Starts right here. 1, 2, 3. Stupid thing. There. Okay. Now, we have our redneck controller somewhere. You know what? Okay, so dunk. Okay. So these are going to be all hooking up into this guy. And I'm going to stick a block here. You know what? I don't want to do that. Oops. I'm going to need to wrench those. Put you back. Where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? Oh, man. I totally forgot that I had this golden bag of holding on me. So let me get rid of some of this stupid inventory. Don't need you yet. You. Yeah, that should be enough for now. I don't know what happened to our Omni wrenches, but they seem to have disappeared. All of them. And I know that we've been having some issues with some block conflicts with some of the mods. So that might be what's going on there. Okay, so I can't have blocks in here. So I'll just stick it to... Oh, I can't do that either. Okay, so what we've got is paddles. We have to turn the paddles on, which is forced connection mode. So you just right click on the red dot. So we're all in forced connection mode, and this is forcing the connection to the block above. So now what we are going to do is we're going to nope, one more. Okay, we're going to plop this guy down, and he is going to take an ore. Where are we? Ore, 2 input ore. So input 1 is going to be on the left. So you left click on here to advance it and right click to go back. So this is going to be on the left, and we're taking white, and we're going to take the right, and we're going to take the white. So if either the left or the white is on, send a signal up. So actually, you know what, we're going to invert it. So we're going to stick this into a variable, because if the redstone is on, then the drawbridge is going to be out. And we want that out by default. And when we walk on the pressure plate, we want it to open. So we're going to stick the output into variable 0. So then we go to the next page, and we do an invert. And we take variable 0, and we invert that. And we send it up. And that's it. Nothing else. And so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And I think that's all we need. Oh, wait a minute. Did I only put 3 in there? I must have. Crap. What? Where'd the rest of my blocks go? Well, at least that works. I did put 3 in there. Why did I do that? It should be 4. Where did that other glass go? Did I put it in here? I didn't. Where did it go? Did I put it back in? Ugh. So I don't see this glass anywhere. I went back to the other base. Did not see it. Oh, there. Okay. Got too much crap on me, man. Holy smokes. Alright. One more. 4. Done. Cool. Alright, so we can seal this up now. And that's all you... That's it. Excuse me. Oh, man. Got myself all excited. Yeah, there's nothing to it, man. That is it. Very simple. I love that block. It's very, very useful. Alright. And then finish that off with iron. Although, you know, I think we could probably get away with going just the normal quarried stone. Let's see what that looks like. Yep. Come on, break. Yeah. 1, 2. That looks better. Although I think this could probably go up 1. I feel. There we go. How does that look? I think that looks better. Cool. I like it. Okay, so we'll do the same down here. Although we'll have to extend it back another block, though. I think. We'll just move the stairs out. Okay, we got our door in. Works nicely. Alright, so now I don't know if I think I might want to put a glass door here. But I need to figure this out here, because this needs to be raised. And I think so. Does that look stupid? I think it does. I think it does look stupid. Well, let's put the door in and we'll figure it out. Is that an... Ooh, I might need some more redneck cable. I might have to put in a new order for some. Okay, so these are going to be... oh, no. What chunk am I in? 21... Oh, no, no, no. Oh, yeah, no, I'm alright. I'm alright. I think. Ugh. So, we're going to use... Okay, we're going to go in 1. Then we go 1, 2, 3. No! That's what I was afraid of. That is what I was afraid of. One, two, three. Nuts. Actually, that'll work out. That'll work out fine. So we're not going to use that. So this will work out fine. I don't know what I was freaking out about. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's wrench those. Okay. Good, good, good. And then we need to do the same over here. 1, 2, 3. Wrench, wrench, wrench. Did I do that one? No, I didn't. Okay. And then these ones are going to, so I don't need that guy there. And I do need, actually, you know what? I could probably simplify this a lot more. I just need to connect one here and come in the back. That would work out better, I think. Alright, let me go put in an order quickly for some more redneck cable, and we'll be right back. And through the magic of the internet and video editing, I now have a new shipment of cable that just arrived. Met the courier at the door. Oh, good gravy. I forgot to get the redneck controller. So what I did was I moved the train over the little loader thing. So now we have access to everything down here, which makes life a lot easier for me. And you know what? Nope. I'm good. I'm good. I am good. Right. Controller. Okay, so this time we are going to do an... Actually, we don't even need to do that. So what we're going to do is just invert the signal coming from the back and send it up. That's it. So if I stick this guy here, stick this guy here, stick this guy here, we do this, and then put pressure plates down. Oh. Let's see. So let's do that. Do that. Oh, nuts. No, that's right. Okay, that's cool. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I might change the color of the glass to white or something. Maybe something dark or a dark gray at some point. But just to get this working, I want to get this in. And I'm going to have to initialize these. Cool. Very cool. Alright. So, I need to get in here to clean this up. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so we are done all of those little mini projects to get the doors in. So now we have doors up here. I need to put a light in here. And we still have to do the break room walls, but we can do those, I think, in the next episode. This one here, I need to figure out. I think I'm going to put some clear glass in here. I don't know if you can stain it. Can you stain it? Let's see. Maybe you can. Maybe you can't. Clear glass. Nope. Guess not. So we'll put some glass in here next episode, and then I need to figure out what to do with the ceiling. Not sure what material I want to use for that yet. But in the meantime, I think we got some good progress made in this part of the base this episode. This might be a little shorter episode. So we'll do the walls down here, and we'll do the ceiling down there. And hopefully in the next episode, we'll be able to actually get some power going so that we can start building the actual infrastructure for the base. So if you have any comments, please feel free to leave them below. And until next episode, please do take care. Oh, and you know what? I probably won't be having another episode before Christmas. So I hope everybody has a safe and happy holiday season, those that are observing Christmas. And for everybody else, enjoy your week. Take care.